Come see me. There you go. Good girl. Oh. Whoa. Such a good job.
And we picked something up and eat it.
Such a good job. You should do it.
Hey, bud. Attention to me. You can't talk.
We see Mama on the camera. Here, how about Mama goes over here by Daddy? Look. Come on. Come on. Come on. She's gonna sit down.
Hello. 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 You wanna play with it?
Say, come
Hello.
on. Whoa. Oh.
Hello.
Go see Daddy.
It's for you, Ava. It's for you. Hello. It's for you.
Go see Daddy.
It's for you.
There you go. Oh. No.
Come on, it's for you. Look here. Here it is.
Here, let me have it. And we'll be right here. Come on, right here and get it. Come right here and get it. It's for you. Come on. You gotta walk. Oh. Come on. There you go. Come on. Good girl. You got it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
Keep doing that.
Look, can you talk on the phone? Show us how you talk on that phone. Say hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? Say bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm just gonna play right here. You wanna play with that? You wanna play with that?
Do we make cash to give a pizza in person? Okay.
You wanna play with that?
Good girl.
You wanna play with that?
Good girl. Keep pulling it back. Pull it back some more before she... Yay!
You wanna play with that?
You could go a little bit further.
Ooh. Look at this. Here, let me have that. Come on. Come over here. Play with it. You want to play with it?
Yeah!
Okay.
Good job! Go see Daddy again. She's getting braver with it.
It's right out here. It's the carrot on the stick.
Let me help you.
It's the carrot on the stick.
Look at her go!
It's the carrot on the stick.
Yay!
Yeah!
You
there
got clap